Imagine this. You're 60 years old, thinking about retirement, but you realize you've barely saved enough to cover the basics. This is a reality for many because they didn't start early. But here's the good news. You don't have to follow this path. The secret? Starting early. Today, we're breaking down how early investing and the power of compound interest can set you up for financial freedom. Let's talk about compound interest, the magic of making your money work for you. Simply put, it's earning interest on your initial investment and the interest it earns over time. Here's a real example. If you invest just 5,000 rupees per month starting at age 25, you could retire with over 7 crore by 60. Wait until 35. That drops to less than 3 crore. See the difference? We get it. Investing feels overwhelming. Let's tackle those doubts. First, you don't need a lot to start. Many platforms let you begin with as little as 500 rupees. Start small and stay consistent. Second, it's simpler than you think. Apps like Zerodha, Grow, and Pay2Money make it easy to invest in mutual funds or stocks. Lastly, while markets do have risks, diversification is your safety net. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Before investing, build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your financial safety net. Next, understand asset allocation. As a beginner, consider index funds or ETFs. They're low cost, diversified, and perfect for long-term growth. Let's recap. Start early. Leverage compound interest. Diversify your investments. And most importantly, stay consistent. Whether it's 500 rupees or 5,000, start today. Because every day you wait, you're leaving money on the table. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Your future self will thank you. Liked this video? Hit subscribe and let's build wealth together.